A little bit later in the afternoon, but I love the S&P moving back up and reaching up and filling the settlement. Look at this bear bar on settlement as well. Any kind of corrective phase that we can get back up into, like right there actually, these 94, 94.50s, beautiful little pulse. There's the move right back down into the 92s. That's exactly what we were looking for. Obviously, the volatility is really, really high right now, but a phenomenal move to the upside. The bulls have incredible strength here. The bears have been getting stuck all morning trying to get this to cycle down. The last cycle down couldn't get the job done, and when we finally do get the job done, which in this case is filling settlement, they finally complete the objective, job done, settlement complete. Now that we've done that, the market can roll possibly all the way back down to a new low. Remember, the first candle of the day only has a 20% likelihood of success of being the first candle low of the day. Most of the time, 80% of the time, in fact, it doesn't end up being the low of the day, which means that the market would roll all the way back over into that zone. But the fact that we finally completed the objective, this jumbo bull bar had no follow through, which even further suggests that the target's done. It makes a lot of sense to see this continuation back down. Really nice setup.